Telling I don't want to fight. Chapter 1 also it was Arjuna thinks only he doesn't want to fight. Chapter 2 also starting it was Arjuna doesn't want to fight. Then Arjuna surrendered in the form of Sloka 2.7. Karpurno the shop of the Sababa, Pichami Tam Dharma Shamura Chita. Just Yashan Nishita Tamina Polo. So with that he surrenders. Once he surrenders, Krishna assumed the position of Guru. Before that, Krishna was the charioteer. Arjuna was the master. After Arjuna surrenders, Krishna becomes the Guru, Arjuna becomes the Shishya. Then he starts with chastisement and started telling about the soul only. Because Arjuna was telling in the bodily platform, he was lamenting that Vishwadeva, Drona, all these things, persons has to be killed, so many people have to be killed, so many widows will be formed. So he was lamenting. But to remove the lamentation, immediately Krishna brought the soul, introduced the soul for the first time. With Sloka 11 to 30 fully tells about the soul only. Sloka 11 क्या है? अशोचन अनुशोचस्तम प्रोकवादम च वशाचे गदासुनवदम शुचन अनुशोचन्ति पंडिता. So usually is not the soul, is the chastisement. Sloka 11 is the chastisement, telling that whoever is a pandita, he should not lament. Whoever is a pandita should not lament. Then number 12 क्या है? Number 12 क्या है? ना केवलम जातुना शब्नातम लेवे जनाधिपम कचैवा न भविष्यामि सर्वे वयम अतः परम. Spiritually, not you nor all these kings were not I. Not there was not a time when all these people were not there. Always they were there. Always I was there. Always you were there. Always everybody, all the kings, everybody was there. Always. So, na kevalam jaतुना शब्नातम लेवे जनाधिपम Nachaiva na bhavishyame, and in the future also, future also they will continue to exist unless they are liberated. Unless they are liberated, so everybody will continue to exist with their entity. I the entity, the soul entity will remain unless we are liberated. The soul entity will be remain and will be there. We will keep on taking one body after another. Then Dainanasmi Jatade Komaram Jovanam Jara तथा देहंतरा प्राप्ति धीरज तत्त्वेन मुच्यते. So Dainanasmi Jata Dehi. So in the body we can see when we are born we are very small. Then child, youth, old age, all these things will be coming one after other. So almost the body is changing. Even scientifically also all the cells are replenished. The body is changing every moment. So the soul is passing on from the old body. The body of the child, the newly born child was totally different from my body or your body or your body. So whatever was newly born, that was totally different from my present condition. So that time the soul was in that body. Then the soul is changing. Keeping body is changing, but the soul is keeping on transmigrating. Then last question jata hai koparam jovanam jara. Then we koparam will come, jovanam will come, jara old age will come. Then ultimately we will die. Tadha dehantara prapti. When the deha will come to an end, antara prapti dhiras tantrana muchyate. Then it will go to another body. When the body will come to an end, the soul will come to another body. So the dhira person and the sober person doesn't lament for such a change of dress. Then 14. Matra sparshostu kaunteya shitas no shuko dukkada agamapai no nitya stam tuti shasya bharata. Matra sparsho. So all these happiness, distress, these are all sense perception. So you try to tolerate them. They are like clouds coming, agamapai no nitya, like clouds coming and going. They are like that. So try to tolerate it. 15th. Yamina Batanti Purusham Purusham Shiva Shamadukha Shukam Dhira Samritattaya Kalpate. So one who can tolerate these dualities of life, Samritattaya Kalpate. Amritattaya means liberation, eligible for liberation. So he is eligible for liberation. Number 16. Nasato Vitate Bhavo Navavo Vitate Shata Ubeti Vishati. Nasato Vitate Bhavo Navavo Vitate Shata Ubeti Shata Dona Shata Darshivi. So Nasato Vitate Bhavo. So Nasato Na Ashato Vitate Bhavo. Asat means the material things, whatever is the material things like the material body, So Nashato Vidyate Bhavo. Vidyate means remains. Bhavo means fixity is not there. Is the body will always be changing and ultimately will be destroyed. So there is no fixity in this. So Nashato Vidyate Bhavo. Nabhavo Vidyate Sata. Similarly, Na Abhavo. Abhavo means not changing. Na Abhavo means not changing. Vidyate Sata. Which is short and eternal. The soul is short and eternal. So for that there is no change. Like the body, there is no change for the soul. Soul remains the same only. Nashato Vidyate Bhavo, Nabhavo Vidyate Sata, Uranapi Nishantas, Tuanas Tattasvati. Who is Tattadarshi are the Jnani people, they only after came to the conclusion. Next, number 70. Avinashi tu tadviti jena sarvam itat tatam vilasam sasyo nakaschit kartum arashi. Avinashi tavidam jena sarvam itat tatam. So the body.
What do you want? What do you want?
Throughout the body, one thing is pervasive throughout the body. That is the consciousness. That consciousness comes from the soul only. Once the soul leaves the body, that consciousness also leaves, and the body becomes a dead body. Same body, 1 minute before it was a different. After 1 minute, it can be totally different. Once the soul leaves the body. Avinashi Tattva Vidhi Jena Sriyamidam Tattva. So that soul, which effect is consciousness, which is pervasive throughout the body, it is Avinashi. That cannot be destroyed. Avinashi tu Tattva Jena Sarva Vidam Tattva. Sarva Vidam Tattva means all pervasive. Throughout the body it is pervasive. Sarva Vidam Tattva. Next, last line क्या है? Avinashi tu Tattva Jena Sarva Vidam Tattva. Vinasasya Nakachit Kartu Bada. Then 18th.
Little enough.
18th क्या है? अंतमंतो इमेरे हो नित्य सप्तो शरीरिना अनाशिना प्रभेवश्य तस्मात् युद्धश्य भारत. अंतमंतो इमेरे हो. Antamanto, this end, all this deha will come to an end. There is no doubt about it. So you perform your duty. So even if you are not killing also, they will come to an end one day or the other. But your duty is to fight religiously. You do it. Next, 19. Jana Veti Hantara Jasyana Mannate Hadam Ubhavutana Vijayamita Dharmati Dharmati. So if you think you are a killer or somebody is killed, so all these are illusory conceptions. So you forget it. Number 20. Veda Vinashinam Nityam Jena Ajam Apayam Najayate Bhyate Nakajachit Naya Bhantin Naya Bhavita Vana Bhuya Ajonityo Shashato Ya Purano Nahannate Annamane Shanire. So in the past also it was there, present also is there, future also it will be there. The soul cannot be killed. Although the body can be killed, but the soul cannot be killed. Next, 19. 20 हो गया. 21. वेदा विलासिनम नित्यम याइनम अजम अपयम कथम शपार्थार्थ कम अर्थास्तियम. Veda Vinashinam Nityam. Veda means know, you know Arjuna. Avinasha, this soul is Avinashi. And Nitya, eternal. So know this. And last line here, Veda Vinashinam Nityam Jnanam Ajam Apayam Katham Cha Purusha Prajna Natayati Okay. So knowing this, nobody should kill, nobody will get killed also. But only the body can be killed, but the soul cannot be killed. Okay. 22. Pasam Shirina Nidata Bhyaya Nama Nidunati Naro Purani Tata Sharirani Bhyaya Dhirinani Anyadi Samyati Navani. I'm going fast, but I want to finish up from 11 to 30. That up to the soul portion. Only this chapter we have covered also. And this particular section I want to cover 11 to 30 with basically about the soul. That full section I want to cover. That's why I'm going fast. Is it okay? Bashamsi Jinnani Jatha Bhyaya. Bashamsi means dress. Jinnani means old. When the dress becomes old and useless, we throw it out. Similarly, when the body becomes old and useless, the soul throws it out and takes a new body, which is like a new dress only. The body is like a dress only. Like wearing your dress and changing the dress. Similarly, the body is the dress of the soul. It is the dress of the soul. It is only changing. Once it becomes old and useless, it is thrown out and a new body is taken. So it is like useless garments only. 23. Achat Nainam Chintanti Shastrani Nainam Dati Bhavaga Nachainam Kedanti Apo Nashashati Maruta Nainam Chintanti Shastrani. So this soul, enough is this soul cannot be cut. Chintanti is cut. Nainam Chintanti Shastrani. Shastra means weapon. By weapon it cannot be cut. Nainam Chintanti Shastrani Nainam Dahati Pavaka. Dahati Pavaka means fire. Fire cannot, Dahati means burn. Fire cannot burn it. Rajainam Kledanti Apo. Apo means water. Water cannot, Kledanti is moisten. Water cannot moisten the soul. Like the lotus leaf, no, it cannot be moistened by water. Similarly, the water cannot moisten the soul also. Last line here. Na shoshati maruta. Maruta means wind. Wind also cannot dry it. Like when water or something is, the wind can dry it. Similarly, but the soul cannot be dried by wind also. It cannot be cut by weapon. It cannot be burned by fire. It cannot be moistened by water. It cannot be withered away by wind. Achitoyam agatoyam akrito shoshevacha nitya sarvagato thanu rachaloyam. Same thing only in a different song listening. Achito, it is not cuttable. Agachum is not burnable, not moistenable, and not dry का क्या बोलेंगे? Dry हम लोग के dry में बहुत ठीक है तो सूख नहीं सकते Tashman Sarvatoshtanun Achalayam Sarva. And it is there everywhere. Soul is there everywhere. Throughout the universe, soul is there. Not that only partly planetary soul is there. Soul is there in every planetary system. Although scientists may not agree, but it is there in every planetary system. That's why we build all the mates and build. Then next. Avyaktoyam Achitoyam Avikarayam Uchate Tashman Sarvagato Sthanu Rachalayam Sahasaram. Avyakto means it is not manifested. Avyakta, it is not, we cannot see by our own eyes. This soul we cannot see. Avyaktoyam Achitoyam. Achito, it is not thought by our thought also, we cannot exactly think about the nature of the soul. Avyaktoyam Achitoyam Avikaram. Avikaram, it does not undergo any transformation. Kaya Uchate Tasmat क्या है? Avyaktoyam Achitoyam Avikaram Uchate 25. Tasmadeva Piditayam Nanu Shochita Madati. So that by knowing all these qualities, you don't lament. Nanu Shochita, Anu Shochita, Shochita, Shocha means lamentation. Anu Shochana means lamentation. Anu Shochita, Arasi. Arasi means desire. You should not lament. Next 26 क्या है? अतः चैनम नित्य जातम नित्यम पावन देवृतम तथा पीता महाभावो नैनम शोचितम अर्हसि. But still, if you think that soul doesn't exist, he is now giving a different argument, which the scientists normally argue that soul comes from chemicals. By chemical combination, soul comes. They argue. So he is also that time also that argument was there, similar argument at that time also. So Krishna is telling, okay, if you think soul is not there, okay. If it is a bulk of chemicals, if think. So one chemicals has formed into life and it has come. Now again it will be formed into that chemicals. So with that logic also there is no reason for lamentation. If you know the soul, their soul, a soul cannot be destroyed, there is no reason for lamentation. If you think soul is not there, they have come from some chemicals. So again they will go back to some chemicals. So then also there is no reason for lamentation. Arjuna, Krishna is telling logically, with that argument also. Then 27. जातश्च हि ध्रुवं जन्ममृतस्य च तस्मात् अपरिहार्यार्थे नातं शोचितम् अर्हसि. जातश्च हि ध्रुवमृतं. So one was taken birth. Jatascha is ध्रुवमृतं. For it ध्रुवम is truth, is mritum. Mritum is truth. So although we may not realize, at our age we may not realize that death will come. Nobody thinks that death will come. For me, death will come. One time Yudhishthira was asked by Narad Muni, what is the most wonderful thing? Then Yudhishthira Maharaj and Narad Muni told that everybody sees in front of everybody that people are dying, but they don't think that they will die. They don't themselves think that they will die. The most astonishing thing. Jatasya ध्रुवम मृत्युम ध्रुवम जन्मम मृतस्य च. But Jatashuri Dhruva Mritu. So one who has taken birth, Mritu is Dhruva. Dhruva means it is truth. It is a truth only that Mritu will come. And one who takes death, Dhruvam Janma Mritu Shacha. Similarly, truth is that Janma again will take again Janma Mritu Shacha. For whoever has died, again for him birth will be there. Until we are liberated. Until we are liberated, whoever has taken birth, he has to die. Whoever has died, he has to again take birth until we are liberated. So these are all eternal truth. Nothing can be done with that. Then, 28. Apyaktadini bhutani vyakto bhuttani bharata apyakto nidana yeva tatroka paridevana apyaktadini bhutani. So at some point of time they were unmanifest. Everything was unmanifest. Nothing was manifested. Condition 2. Vyakto bhuttani bharata. Then at some point of time it became manifest. Apyakto nidana yeva. At the end again it will become apyakto. Tatroka paridevana. Therefore there is no need for lamentation. You can think it like this, like from the soil, big skyscraper has come. All the skyscrapers we have built from ingredients from the soil only. So effectively it has come from the soil. At some point of time it was not manifested. Now the big skyscrapers has come. After a few years, 100 years, that will not be there. That will again go back to the soil. It will become like unmanifested. There is a gross example. So with that gross example, so everything was unmanifested in the beginning, and in the middle it became manifested. At the end, again it will become unmanifested. Then 29. आचार्य पश्चित कश्चिदेन आचार्य पदाति तथैव चैन आचार्य चैन मनो शुणोति श्रुत्वा वेदान चैव कश्चित् आचार्य पदाति आचार्य पश्यति कश्चिदेन. So somebody sees the soul as very amazing. Somebody आचार्य next आचार्य पदाति तथैव चैन. Padathi describes. Somebody describes the soul as amazing. Then Acharya Chainam Onno Sunati. So others hear about this as amazing. And Acharya does it. And last guy, Sudva Vena Vedana Chaiva Kachit. So although we are hearing, but we cannot exactly understand about the soul. Some gross we can have something we are feeling. But even modern scientists that also don't understand that soul is there. But at least I believe in now in this forum everybody believes that soul is there. But even though we believe, but we cannot exactly understand this nature. So although so many descriptions can be made, but it is undescribable actually. It cannot be fully described with words. So this Acharya is astonishing, amazing. Acharya about that. So even though we are hearing, we are describing, but we cannot really understand the qualities of the soul. Then 30. Dehi nitam avathoyam dehe sarvasya bharata tasma sarvani bhutani inatam sochitam arhasi. Dehi nitam. So Dehi means the owner of the body. Who is the owner of the body? Who is the owner of the body? Soul is the owner of the body. So Dehi nitam. That Dehi. Like we are telling a house, we are telling the house I am the owner. Similarly, the body is also like the house only. House like garment only. So for that, the soul is the owner. So Dehi Nityam. So the owner is Nityam. Dehi Nityam क्या है? Dehi Nityam. Dehi is the owner. Deha is the Nitya. Anitya. Sorry, Dehi Nitya. Dehi Nityam. Dehi is the owner. Soul. Soul is Nitya. Nitya is eternal. Dehi Nityam. Next line क्या है? What क्या है? Abhatyam is killer, not killer. Bhatyam is Bhath kalam is kill. So the body cannot be killed. Deha Nityam. Abhatyam. Next. Dehi Sarvasya Bharata. And this soul which is not killable cannot be killed. It is always remaining in the body. Dehi Sarvasya Bharata. Tasma Sarvani Bhutani Nadam Shochina Bhute. So therefore you need not lament. So many ways Krishna is explaining why we should not lament. So all these things came that time. So when we did 2 years back when my father died, so I didn't lament at all. I did Sankirtan in this year. I did tell my wife also that my father passed away because we cannot do Sankirtan if I tell to our family members. So that time all this teachings was coming to me, so I did not lament. So I know, so that's why I performed Sankirtan, then night only I traveled. So always you have to be within the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. If you can hear the teachings of Bhagavad Gita, then in life no lamentation, nothing will become. Even it be happy situation or unhappy situation. You can see both the situations in the light of Bhagavad Gita. Then you can be tolerant to both the situations and ultimately spiritually you will be spiritually happy. You may not look for material happiness or material unhappiness, whatever it is. But always you can be spiritually happy. If we pass in the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. So I chose this topic because it is only more appropriate. So my father would have also taken another body or whatever it is. You are pray to God so that he gets liberated from the cycle of birth and death. So that is only the best tribute we can give to pray to God so that he gets liberated from the cycle of birth and death soon and he gets a lotus feet of the Lord. So I beg everybody, please pray to God. Then if you have any questions, 2 minutes, 5 minutes we can discuss, then we can end. About the soul also we can discuss or anything else also. 2-3 minutes. Online also if you want to think we can discuss. But even though I am not lamenting for the body, but I feel bad that he had done so much for me, but I have not done anything. I told him you are not there with me that time. My father's family was very poor, extremely poor. That family. So my father's time, they got only rice they could eat. They were so poor, my father. So poor that only rice, and my father's mother, he will put extra water in that rice. So that kanji we call kanji, na? That kanji, extra kanji they will keep it. For next, one time they will take the rice, one time they will take the kanji. They were so poor. So five brothers. So from that condition, my father has 1 rupee per day he has earned. He had made a shop for my uncle. Now that shop has flourished like anything. He has become millionaire, crore almost, uncle become. But the starting point was that. And when in that condition only he has reared me and my sister. And nothing, whatever I wanted before I want, everything has given me. We were poor, but teaching music, whatever he wanted, he thought it is good for my son. He gave in that condition also. So those things I feel very bad. I could not pay any service to him. Even when he was 80 years old also, he only served me. Rather than I should serve him, he only served me. So thinking this, I feel bad. But from the concept of soul-wise, I don't feel any lamentation. So you have definitely got a better path because he has served. Whatever principles of Bhagavad Gita was there, although he was not knowing, but unknowingly he followed it. Unknowingly he followed. So I hope God will give him mercy. Whatever he is telling that, Lord is telling always you do your karma without any expectation. So you will do like that to everybody, not only to us. Me, my sister, my wife, everybody used to take care like that. Not only that, others also, you will take it. So everybody loves him so much. My uncles, sons, everybody in the family. Although in that family now there is one person doesn't see the other person. Nowadays Kali-yuga it is becoming like that. Split up is there. But everybody was attached to my father. My father was such a personality. So my uncles, everybody are grateful that although they were crorepati now, but they know that the base was given by my father. So they had that gratitude. So everybody loved my father. So the situation was different, but my father everybody loved. So I should give a tribute to him. So we should all pray to him so that whatever the best tribute we can give, what best tribute we can give, so that he gets free from the cycle of birth and death. That is the best tribute we can give, best prayer we can do. So let us all pray to God that he gets freedom from this cycle of birth and death and attain the lotus feet of him. Any questions, anything? We can discuss, otherwise we will finish.
2 years over, sir.
2 years old. Last year I was there. Last year I went there. This time I could not go. I thought, okay, Sankirtan is the best thing we can do. And there also they did something. That traditional things they did. Yes, did it. I feel Sankirtan is the best thing we can do. So that also we did Sankirtan when we passed away. Na? So that day also I booked my ticket immediately, right. But I had my Sankirtan, I didn't tell my wife, daughter, nobody had known. Then we had my Sankirtan, then even after Sankirtan I left. So I feel that is the best thing we can do. That is the Yoga Dharma message. Sankirtan is the Yoga Dharma message. So but that is the best way we can please the God, please God. So once God gets pleased, so He only is the giver of all the results. So He will give you the best result. Okay, if no questions नहीं है ना? नहीं है? ठीक. We'll end it then. Namaste Narasimhaya. Namaste I want to share how the soul, scientific thing also. The soul is that body is light. My father was 47 weight or 48 like that. His weight was that. So only, but when next day when I went after his death, I could not lift his legs. So once the soul leaves the body becomes very heavy. This is, I don't know, it's a strange thing. So I was unable to lift his legs. I wanted to put the dress below his body. It was very difficult to lift his legs. Although he was only 47, his weight was only 47, 48 when he was living. But after that, the soul leaves, I still think the body becomes very heavy. I don't know, that's the strange.
Yes, sir. Last time also I went for this thing, sir.
Huh.
Before the table, they give bath now, sir.
Huh.
Further we have to lift now.
Huh.
Able to lift, sir.
Very heavy. So once the soul passes, the body becomes heavy. Same body. When soul is there, it is light. When soul is not there, it is heavy. It is very strange. So that much energy the soul is giving. So it is giving up. Strange thing. Scientists has to find out something. Scientifically find out what is the reason.
First,
Just the legs I could not lift. It is very difficult for me to lift the legs. Yes, also in the very. So all of you should have this experience. I beg all you please go to Shamshan Ghat. Don't only think this life is any, sometimes visit Shamshan Ghat. That is the reality. You see, that is the reality. Our life, that is the reality. That is the end. That is the, please visit Shamshan Ghat sometimes. Then only you realize that is the reality. Then you try to mold your life such a way that I need not go to that situation again and again. Again and again. Shankari Jal Chai also predict Janani Jatani what is that slogan?
सर एक
Janani Jatani
छह साल के बच्चे को मैं देखा था सर हमारे घर में आग देते थे 6 साल का बच्चा था वो अपने पिता का आग देगा
Pita ka aate rahe. So that is reality. You start old people. Let you bring your parents with you. Bring the old people. See how they are suffering. That is the reality. So our age we are not able to realize what is suffering. But you see the old people how they are suffering. We will also go to that stage. No doubt in that.
उस बच्चे को कुछ ज्ञान नहीं था लेकिन कुछ जो लोग
So once you do bhakti, you cannot have this suffering. You see the life of a bhakta, devotee. He is also having old age, but he is very happy. He is having disease, everything, but he is very happy. But you see the materialistic people, when they are old, they are so much in lamentation, morose their condition. Because they don't see the center. But a devotee, she is the center of Lord always. So they become happy. So that's why please beg anybody, please visit Samsan Ghat sometimes. Old age home sometimes. See what is reality. And please mold your life accordingly. I'm not telling you give up everything. You have everything. But have a focus. Focus on my goal. Goal is not just sense enjoyment. It's not just a goal. It will be temporary. So have a true goal. With that, whatever enjoyment you have it. But have a proper goal in life. That we have to get liberated from this cycle of birth and disease. How the old people is suffering that you think they will tell, oh God, please take me. They will like that. Some old age people, I don't know whether you have encountered or not. Some old age people you go and see, they will be so and I'm so much suffering, please take me. That is the condition in old age. So you please try to look at the reality, look around, keep your eyes open. That's my very okay. That will end. Hare Krishna. And always go through these teachings. Teachings of Bhagavad Gita will keep you alive always. Whatever be your condition.
मृत्यु इतना जल्दी से नहीं आता
धीरे से आएगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा एक राउंड चैंटिंग करिए, एक राउंड चैंटिंग डेली करिए, एक श्लोका डेली पढ़िए, उसी श्लोका का पाठ जस्ट वही सब पढ़िए, नेक्स्ट श्लोका पढ़िए, उसको रिवाइज करिए थोड़ा, ऐसे जस्ट उतना ही पढ़ेगा तो अच्छा है। एक बार सुबह पढ़िए, एक बार शाम को सोने के पहले, रात में सोने के पहले एक बार पढ़िए।
प्रदीप का ध्यान भटक जाएगा सर, आगे खाना रहता है
फंस हो गया सर खाना खाने फंस हो गया
आगे सब पढ़ लेगा
ठीक है, ओके, हरे कृष्ण। बच्चा का उधर बच्चों की भाषा तो बच्चों को पिता ने पावर में प्रोफेशनल ऑनलाइन था क्या अभी तक था?
नहीं वो था अभी कट
ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग, ओके। ऑनलाइन में डिस्कस कीजिए, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग। ये मोबाइल किसका ले लीजिए? चलिए प्रसाद थोड़ा दे दे, बैक प्रसाद, बैक वन टेस्ट के 1008 में देना है, 1008 देन भवानी को भी देना है। भवानी का क्या नंबर है?
आई नो सर
भवानी का 8 कुमुदम उनको देना है। देन उनका 1000 क्या नाम बोला? नंबर 1008 उसका वो क्या नाम है? अनुषा ना? नहीं अनुषा नहीं है, वो कौन गया है?
1008
आया पाया पे 1008। देन अनुषा का भी शायद 70 वो भी चला गया,
अनुषा ले
ले लिया ना, ठीक ओके। देन और एक कौन था? ठीक है, वन प्रसाद उठे কি ও এক্সট্রা আছে তো একটা প্যাকেট দাও। হ্যাঁ মালতীদের জন্য রাখো। उसको बंद कर दीजिए, स्विच उधर रोटेट करने वाला स्विच है।
फोल्ड कर दो सर वायर को,
कर दीजिए।
स्विच का
यार इतना मस्त नहीं कर रहा नहीं कहाँ किया सर पकड़ी
That's the thing I want to take it. You take it.
लोग सर याद नहीं होता है लोग को सिर्फ
हाँ इसलिए बचपन से करना चाहिए लोग बोलता है कि ये सब बुढ़ापे में करना है ऐसा नहीं है बचपन से करना है एटलीस्ट ठीक है जहाँ आपको पता चला उधर से स्टार्ट करना है सीरियसली करना है रोज एक ही श्लोक बोलते जाएंगे ना याद हो जाएगा
तक पूरा
पढ़ लिया है अब एक श्लोक को डेली बोलिए एक मंथ पूरा बोलिए उससे याद है तो याद करने का फायदा क्या है जब हमारा बुढ़ापा आएगा ना तब ये सब श्लोक जब याद आएगा ना हमारा आदत रहेगा आदत में रहेगा तो याद करना जरूरी है
आपने काम नहीं करेगा
अभी याद रहेगा याद दस रहेगा जब तक याद दस रहेगा तब तक अर्ली मॉर्निंग chant well first chant well early morning after chanting you read then other times whenever you are considered focused and don't do some other works so your mind is very focused that time after that our mind is very focused that time also you and early morning is the best my memory older days people used to tell na sleep early what is that stroke one something was there I to bed early that is actually very useful for memory also that is good morning if you wake up also morning wait after waking up you take so then it will go start bored late night it will not go late night it will not early morning ना आसपास में जाके ना इलाहाबाद चला जाएगा
सर थोड़ा सा इधर आइए
और लोग इधर रखते हैं your gift is there 1 minute
जाना है
you take now or you take it from wrapping
कहीं जाना है क्या
now you take or wrapping you take
अरे पर छोड़ना है चलना है
you take you share with your brother
क्या
okay
लेकर आ रहा है क्या कर रहा है अभी निकलना ये क्या लेकर आ रहा है
Tell me the sit or go whatever as per your comfortable
Hare Krishna sir, coloring book.
you